ultimate guide to beautiful and healthy nails. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my top tips on how to get beautiful and healthy nails. Whether you're dealing with brittle nails, weak cuticles, or just want to maintain those perfect nails, I've got you covered. Let's get into it! Tip no one, keep nails clean and dry. First things first, always keep your nails clean and dry. This helps prevent infections and keeps your nails looking fresh. Tip number 2, moisturize regularly. Moisturizing is key. Use a hand cream or cuticle oil daily to keep your nails and cuticles soft and hydrated. Tip number 3, trim nails regularly. Keep your nails at a manageable length by trimming them regularly. This prevents breakage and helps them grow stronger. Tip number 4, avoid harsh chemicals. Avoid harsh chemicals like detergent that can weaken your nails. Opt for acetone-free removers and wear gloves when using cleaning products. Tip number 5, eat a balanced diet. Your diet plays a huge role in nail health. Make sure to include foods like eggs, nuts, and leafy greens for strong, beautiful nails. Tip number 6, stay hydrated. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your nails and skin hydrated from the inside out. Tip number 7, avoid biting nails. Biting your nails can cause serious damage. Try to keep your nails trimmed short or use a bitter-tasting polish to break the habit. Tip number 8, use gentle nail care products. Choose nail products that are gentle on your nails. Look for non-toxic nail polishes and limit the use of nail polish remover. Tip number 9, practice good manicure habits. Good manicure habits can make a big difference. Always push back cuticles gently and use a nail buffer to smooth the nail surface. Tip number 10, use a nail strengthener. Apply a nail strengthening treatment once a week as a base coat or on bare nails. Tip number 11, protect nails from trauma. Injuries to the nail bed can cause permanent damage, so be mindful when doing activities that could harm your nails, such as sports or heavy lifting. Tip no 12, avoid using nails as tools. Using nails to open cans, peel labels, or scratch can cause them to break or split, so better to use appropriate tools instead of your nails. Tip number 13, get regular checkups. Health issues like thyroid disorders, anemia, or fungal infections can affect nail health. If you notice any changes in your nails' color, texture, or growth, consult a healthcare professional. And there you have it. Follow these simple tips to keep your nails looking beautiful and healthy. If you following these tips consistently will help you maintain beautiful, healthy nails. Remember, nail care is not just about aesthetics, it's also about maintaining overall hand and nail health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.